To see what we got underneath, to see about doing the muffler delete, because he's too quiet and I don't like it. So they're about to tell me a quote and all that shit in just a second. Okay, so I'm here now. I ended up going to Muffler King just because I've heard decent things about them. And I've just been getting the runaround from different shops. They're like, oh, I don't have availability. We were booked out for a week. I'm like, yeah, I don't have the patience for a week. I'm very impulsive. And I've been wanting to get this done since I got this car. It's been a month. Granted, it's been in the shop. I haven't really had it. But now that I have it back, I'm like, yeah, I definitely want to get some of this work done. So they're finally about to do the muffler delete. I've had a lot of people be like, oh, no, don't do the muffler delete. It's going to sound like shit. I was like, well, I could always do the muffler delete and I could do it in exhaust system later. Just because the exhaust system that I want is going to run me almost $2,000. And until I can save up money for that, because I just started a new job, I would prefer to have something on the car so it's not super, super quiet, because it's just boring as fuck. And the fact that it's not a manual either, it's boring. S197 is being worked on. They're doing the muffler delete now. I just approved how far out I want the new exhaust tips to be, because I didn't like the silver. So I picked out some black ones. I think they're going to really look good. They're welding it now. I keep hearing someone's car, like they're revving it, and I'm like, they're not done with my car. That can't be my car. And I'm looking, I'm like, bro, I hope that's not my car, because that sounds like shit. I'm about to be like, yeah, no, take that off, put my shit back on there. I'll pay you for the time you did. But no, if that's my muffler delete, change it back, restore it back to the original version. Time machine, because that's not gonna be me. That sounds like shit. But it's not my car. It's some ugly Durango, so I won't have to worry about it. But yeah, I'm really hoping that this sounds good, because it's not for sale either. No, I like that. That's pretty sick. I like his plate. I guess we're in his way. again, so it's a tight ass fit. Everyone's just locking each other in. Like, damn. Jesus Lord. This is insane. I like Meryl. I call him the Panther, I guess. I guess he's gonna go park near the Nissan? I don't know. We have more stuff over here. Super friend Carlos, and I now know who he is. He's the owner of the Wolfpack ATL group, or creator, or whatever. I've been DMing him about this meet today, but I didn't know which car was his though. So.
Why are we using that rock?
No, the tree fell, so that's...
Yeah, let's switch this.
I mean, they were doing all this construction. I don't know what they're doing, but took up my parking space. Lost Bobby again. Get out of the construction, please. That's what I'm saying. Jesus, you never listen. Excuse me, sir. Bobby, where are you going? Bobby, I know you hear me. What are you doing? Where are we going? Oh, you gotta pee? Why you gotta pee way up here, though? What you doing? Bobby? Oh, here we go. We're sideways. Alright, people. Move out of my way, you bitch. It's really not that loud. I don't think. Well, if I gun it, and I try not to, because there's too many white people up here, and I don't want Newton police to pull me over and give me a ticket, because it is illegal.